Rapper tayo, rapper. Rapper! Asa na? Rapper! 91, Iwaya. Jagel Supan. Jagel Supan, sana na. One lang, one. Jagel Supan, sana na. Wow. Ayan na, Jagel Supan. Sampai, sige. Number 20. Sherwin Legaspi, saka. Sabi ba? Sherwin Legaspi. Oh, malapit na tayo sa Pilipinas, mga sabatos. Sabay, sige! Ay, baka na. Hello. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's time now for first five. Check 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, this one. Hello. Our season 2 Euro Cup. Okay, so first five, please. In the center. Wait. Ladies and gentlemen. Norway versus Georgia. That's Norway team and Georgia Dark. Ladies and gentlemen, our first opening game.
Shout out kay Bernie Acosta. Bernie Acosta, tara dito.
Norway. Ako na, official toast by our commissioner. Kenneth Aguba. Yes, thank you, Victor. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations. Give him a word of applause. Our opening game. Thank you very much. Our season 2 Euro Cup. Jumble between number 10 and number 29. Okay, first ball. It's a handball. Jump on again. Number 29, number 10. Okay, first ball. Pick up by number Georgia. Again, rebound. Up by number 10, number 6, 11. That's the first foul. First foul way goes in number 10. First personal foul, first team foul, Norway. Trophy to award to number 3. First result. Second throw. Ready for rebound. First point, number 3. Dark, Georgia. Number 10. Julio. Got it by number 3. Pass in the corner. It's the one. Yung pass to number 29. Then second shot. Then the shot. And agad. Rebound by number 3. Uy, nakapit. Diretso. Hindi mawak ng bola. Ayan ako, diretso. Natawagan na naman ang foul. Foul when it goes to number 17. First personal foul. Second team foul. Dark, 1 point. Seola Kirab. Like this. Second throw, ready for rebound. Yes! Sa kanila ba? Sa kanila kulang. Two free throw. Connect number 3. Official score, we have 2-0. Number 2 now. Pass to number 8 is Bulon. Is Bulon time. Then back pass to number 10. Julio. Julio. Number 10. Pass to number 41. Yuval. Mali ang bantay na rin dito. Yuval using the glass. Connect for 2 points. Nice penetration by number 41. Official score 4-0. We have 10 minutes and 40 seconds. Almost 1 minute gone by. Julio sa ilalim. Hindi lang ito sa ball by number 3. Pass on number 3 now. Number 3 now. Sa pass. Oy, may almost 66 pass. Number 10 sa ilalim. Number 6. Nagan. Battle for the rebound. Julio now pick up the ball. Long pass on number 8 is Colon. Nasa ilapan number 4. Let's try it. So, using the glass. Nagan. Long pass on number 16. Number 16 now. Long. Ay! Number 06. Pass to number 3. There's a 3 seconds violation. Nakita niyo, Ruben Rolling. Pinpuhan. Our two official referee, we have Mr. Francisco and Mr. Rolling. Yeah, back to the moment. It's Julio. Pass to number 17. Number 25. Number 29 now. In the corner. Kileb. Favorite shot. Number 17. First point of the game. Makaupa. Number 06, right. Using pass. Number battle rebound by number 29. All out of pass to Ispolon. Ispolon. Medyo malit ang bantay. Darinig sa Ispolon. At to ang bantay na kaibigan. You need to reach. Ayan, number 16. Number 6 Ramis now. Pass to number 41. Nakawik ang mula out of bounds. We have 9 minutes and 29 remaining time. Official score 4-2 in favor of Norway. Ayan na sa Ispolon. Nagmamadali pass to Makauban. Makauban na tawagan foul. Foul jersey number 3. First personal foul. First team foul. Di ba? Mayroon pa 10 seconds na lang. Kunting tiis na lang. Okay. Baseline inbound. Number 10, Julio inbound. Pass to number 29. Pass in Allen. Julio, nakabig Makauban. Number battle rebound by number 10, Julio. Using the glass. Rebound. Pick up by number 4. And number 3 now. Nagmamagay. 3 on 4. 4 on 2. Tatawa pa kaibigan. Wala na umabol. Number 10, easy layup. Connect for 2 points. Number 10 official score. We have 6. Oh. Going up. There's a result. A foul committed. We're just in number 10, first personal foul. Second team foul. South Division. Trophy to awarded number 10, Julio. Julio, asawa ni Julia. Unang Yes, correct. For 2 points, Julio. First point. Julio. Second, waiting for rebound. Rebound. Oy! Pumasok si Mr. Natawagan ng foul in and out of shooting foul number 06. Okay. Substitution. Foul number 06. First personal foul. Third default. We have 8 minutes and 40 remaining time. First quarter. Unang tira, Julio ay nag-invest. Kung sino yung nagbumoto, meron po tayo na, no? May pagkain po tayo sa patagkanan, sa may stage, okay? Second one, ready for rebound. We have 6. Okay, a free throw was brought to you by Venus and... Oy, bago na rin. Number 10, wala pa rin. Oh, ang good 6 ulit dito. Ay, hintay! Ramos! Ay!
Kailangan mo mag-impit.
Okay, dire-diretso po tayo. 6-3. Tatlo po ang lamang na yan. George. Number 99, George! Take over number 1. Pass to number 06. Ay, easy 2 points. New ball number 41. Ay, yan. Official score, we have 8-3 with 8 minutes more to play. We have 2 minutes gone by in the first quarter. Makaubang. As bumalik ang bang! Easily out. Natawagan ng foul. Osvaldo foul na jersey number 10. Number 10. First personal foul. 40 foul. Substitution. First foul number 10, 14 foul. First free throw Makaumbang. Parang na-trade lang. 8-4. Ayan, Ogazo. We have 8 minutes and 52 remaining first quarter. Official score 8-5, 3 points lead by Georgia. That's on the 06. What a jumper! In and out! Rebound! Oy! Pag-rebound talaga yun, oh. Ayan ang number 10, Julio. Yung pass to Estilo. Pass ng ganda. Pass up. Estilo Dios in the glass. 2 points. Estilo. Takbo mo naman. Julio, sorry. Julio. Official score, 7-8. 1 point. Number 3 now. Nice movement, number... Oh, short! Diba, number 06, easy to point. Ayan ang official score. 10-7. We have 7 minutes more to play. 7 minutes. Julio, 35 number 6. Asa naman ang kinain? Wala ba kila pa? Pasado Makaumbang pa kasi. Oy, pinasa sila. Second shoot. Oh, natawagan ang foul. Foul number 3. Number 3. Second personal foul. Penalty. Georgia, you are now defending with 6 minutes and 57 remaining time. First quarter. France? Okay. Substitution. Our substitution was brought to you by Dressed Bubak Tea. Okay, we have 6 minutes and 54 remaining time. Silalim, almost close the ball. Okay. Substitution. Okay, pasok. Tawag. Okay, pumasok si number 66. Tirado. 6 minutes and 40. Pag-umbak. Lobos by number 10. Nakabagpas to. Ay! Tumama po sa kanyang 1 hole. Out of bounds. Turnover in the part of Bryce Steve. Pumasok. Bounce pass to number 06. Pull up jumper. Using the glass. Battle for the rebound. Pass to number 41. Oh, ganda ng tira. Isa battle for the rebound. Number 66. So, Gerardo has controlled the rebound. Pass to number 10. Back to Gerardo. Gerardo now. Pass to number 17. Makaupa. Pass to number 10. Then, second shot. Oh, not the wall. A foul. A foul. Number... Penalty.
He scored 10-8. Lamang
Second personal foul, number 76, penalty.
lahat ang
6 minutes. Go for to number 10. First, second throw. Minjula. Ay, short. 6 minutes. We have 4 minutes gone by in the first quarter. Ayan na, pass. Number 085 on the downtown. Boy! Mintis short. Aha! 6 minutes, 5 minutes and 45. 166, pass to Makaumba, pull up jumper, Makaumba. Rebound 06. Pass to Yumal. Yumal nagmamadali. Yumal nakarapan si Julio. Yumal! Battle ground with Julio. Julio now diretso. Pass to number 66. Tirado. Nasa tuloy. Number 06 na. Number 06 now single pass to number 41 Yumal. Pick up by number 17. Makaumba. Makaumba pass to Minjula. Minjula pass to Makaumba. Diretso Makaumba. Uyos! Sa class connect for 2 points. Makaumba. Yan na. Tumira na 3 points. Nakakuha ng plus. Makaumba ngayon. So we have 4 minutes and 57 minutes.
Black 10 all.
Number 06. Diretso. Pull up jumper. Number 10. Julio. Julio now nagpapaba ng bola. We have first three lap of the ball game. First three lap. 10 all. Number 47. Back to Minjula. Minjula now. Captain by Tirado. Yeah! Tirado! Time timeout! Our timeout was brought to you by our sponsor, EXN Green, Puma P, Rapid,
Score 12-2.
Rapid Time,
Lamang ang
Rapid Time, Aldama. And Lampian Drinks, Exploria, Rising Cranes, Paborito, Bar, Aquapina, Gatorade, and Pepsi. And we have 4 minutes and 35 remaining time. Official score, well, Norway. Ay! Ayan na. Out of bounds. 30 seconds shot clock. 30 seconds shot clock. Norway 12, France 10. Ay! Bato mo naman. Julio. Espolon, Diretso ay easy 2-point Espolon. Ayan na, 14-10 in favor of Norway. Number 08, pass to number 10. Oh, pull up jumper, using it, pass over, rebound by number 41, Yuval. Ay, ang ganda ng rebound! Basket foul! Second chance point by number 10, official score 14. So what in favor of Norway? That's the Julio. Julio na 5 from the downtown. Julio! Noy! Rebound sa isang kalbo. 0-8 now. Pass Pass to number 10, Karinito. Natawagan ng foul. Foul by number 47. First personal foul. Third team foul. Substitution. Okay, may substitution po tayo. Pumasok po si Mr. Lumon.
Jonas, huwag kang gagalaw dyan. Nasa gitna ka.
Ayan na, back to the moment. Lumon attacking by number 15. Nasa harapan si Lumon. Yes! Pasok doon. Natabik. Tirado. Lumas to Espolon. At naman si Espolon, tinignan pa kalaban. 2 points. Espolon. Official score. We have 16-12 in favor of Norway. We have 3 minutes and
Lamang ang
8
live.
minutes. 5 of the downtown. And rebound on number 10. Also to Yubal. Easy 2 points. Using the glass. Okay, official score. We have 16-14. Just 2 points. 2 minutes and 55 remaining. Espolon! No hesitating. Espolon talaga. Ito classic. 18-14. 2 minutes and 49. Ayan na. Number 08. Last to Yumal. Yumal guarded by Ponyo. Nasarapan si Yumal. Ibang hindi pensa. Espolon now. Espolon nagmamadali. Look for opening man. Rinso. Ay, pass to. Ang ganda number 28. Papagda na yan. 3 ay, hindi mo makakapula makailan. Out of bounds. Bam! Last touch. Last touch po ang bronze. Tagilid ba? We have 2 minutes and 11. Official score 18-14 in favor of Norway. Out of bounds. Subdivision. We have substitution. 15 seconds set na. Beijing, Mr. Mike Florin. Mike Florin. Beijing, okay. 10 seconds set na. Okay. On front of the downtown, number 3. Once again, Mike Florin. Inahanap ka dito sa table ni Mr. Ryan. Ayan, back to the book. We have a minute and 47 minutes on. Ayan na si Mark. Okay, Julio, pull up jumper from the free throw line. Rebound, Espolon. Nice pick by Espolon. What a play, Espolon. Rebound, nakuha. Baka mo diretso. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 3. Number 3 now. Nagbabalik. Nasa harapan, medyo malaki. Natabi ka muna. Diretso. Pass to number 8. Nasa likuran si Tirano. Number 10. Julio. 2 points. Ang ganda ng easy 2 points. Julio. Official score now 20-14. 6-point lead. 1 minute and 10. 1 minute and 10. Number 8. Number 8 now passing number 3. Captain by number 10. Easy open. And now, out of bounds. That's white. We have 58 remaining time under a minute. 6 points lead. Number 3.
Nakaputo.
Kidilig! Oh, what a play. Pull up jumper number 3. Kidilig. Official score 16-14. We have 44 seconds more to play. 47-5 on the downtown. Number 14, Ihalo. 3 points. We have 33 remaining time. 23-16. Tigri. Ayan na. Number 21. Yesing, 2 points. Miranda. Nice move by Miranda. We have 20 seconds more to play. Shot clock is off. Espolon. Espolon now. Doing some final. Espolon. Nice pull of the class. Espolon. Ayan na. Piece of score. 25. 10 seconds. Shot clock is off. 25. Ayan naman. Sa ilalim. Easy to put. Yuban number 41. For our first quarter. Our first quarter was brought to you by our major sponsor, once again, DXN.
Patawagin.
URT, Level Time, Albawa. We have also with God Exhibition Group and Lilian Quiz, Florida. Kisses Recent
Ayak na.
and Bar. Aquafina.
Nakapila.
Pepsi. Isa pa? Ayan na naman, pabigas na naman tayo. Ibang klase na naman ating mga sponsor kayo kaibigan. Mayroon po tayo mga shoot-out, 3-point shoot-out. Mga bigas yan, ha? O sa kabila, o isa na lang. Ayan na. Whoop, take your time. Bam! Si Mr. Aguirre, para pang-limang tira nila, sir, ah. Kanina nila, sir. Mr. Aguirre, this time! Ay, Mr. Aguirre. Once again, we would like to thank our major sponsor, mapagpilit po mga kaibigan, DXN, Choice, Uber Tea, and Travel Time. I also would like to thank Aldara, Gold and Social Group, Lamian Prince, Exploria, Lamian Prince, Easy Games,
Score 25-20. Lumang ang live.
Congratulations. Ating nanalo sa internship out. Wow. Okay, starting out for us. Tim Warner. Official score in the first half. First quarter, 25-20. And favor of Norway. Okay, starting out for us. Tim Warner. Captain by Hidro, pass to number 2, Jonathan Kira, bring up by number 3. Pagpapasok number 16. Number 16 now, control the ball pass to number 06. Number 06, Palmer, number 10. Ay! Number passing down. Class of foul. Palmer, Jesse, number 8. Espolon, first personal foul. Espolon, first personal foul. First. Norway 25, France 22. Number 10.
Bye-bye.
Yes! Triple play by number 10. Will be scored 23-25, just a little. Number 2. Number 2 pass to Bacoba. Go, sige! Bacoba from down. Number 9 pass to number 3. Number 3 na. Number 3 pass to Yuman, using the gas. Rebound by number 29, yung Pastor Espolon. Easy 2 points.
Fast break.
Espolon.
Espolon. Score 27-23. Lamang pa rin ang live.
Number 10, captain by number 10, Espolon jumper. Number 06, using the gas in and out. Rebound by back out back. Number 2 now.
8 minutes na. Second quarter.
Pag-aubang na rin yung sir, pass ilalim. Oy, nilabas ko yung Jula. Yung Jula na. Second step, shoot! Espolon! Bisa na siya. O, kinayuan nila. Makayuan na tapos ng Jula. Number 3. Okay, pwede na kayo mag-sub, ha? Number 3. Pull up number. Ay, wala. What the origination? Rebound by Mr. Espolon. Espolon now. Look for your pass to Makaubang. Almost close po. Rebound by Makaubang. Ang mga dyan sa mga yan, tiga atas. Ay! Sinigula! Iba talaga. Iba talaga matangkad. Lapik star.
Lapik star market.
Yan ang official score. 29-23 in favor of Norway. 6.8 minutes. Once again, pwede na po mag-stop at working star and weekend. Pass to Satisfactory by Yuan. Backing out to number. Ay! Positive by number. 3 pass to Espolon, number 10. Taken a goal by Mr. Espolon. Official score 31-23. Okay, mayroon po tayo substitution. We have 7 minutes and 41 waiting time. Second quarter. Nakasensing pa sa dagat. Yes! Only 2 points. 2 points. Okay, continue the line. We have 7 minutes and 25 against 31. That's the number 21. Back to number 29. Nice move. Number 29. Got number 7. Back on back. Rebound by number 5. Get it. Keep up. Sayang. Back on back. Back on back. Ayan. Nice play by number 5. Number 41. Yuba. Yuba first personal foul. First team foul. We have 7 minutes more to make 25-30 to 3. Okay, bonus video to make a possible 3-point play. Number 29, 33 to 25. everyone. Number 8. Number 6. Wala makinabutan. Dali ba na kasi do it? Yuba sa ilalim! Ay, natawagan. Medyo malaki ang bantay. Foul na rin jersey number 99. First personal foul and second team foul. We have 33, Norway, France 25. 8 points lead by Norway with 6 minutes 51. Petrol number 15 was brought to you by DXM. Second throw. Battle for the rebound. Number 29. Number 29 pass to number 26, Tirado. Pass to Obon. Nakabang back to Tirado. Take out to number 8. Is Gold. Gold number 9. Number 99. Ayan na po. Wow! Ay, is pa lang. 1, 2, 1. Is pampas! Tirado po! Tirado! Hindi na sure Mr. Yubata. Yubata sa po nila. Kaya tayo na pass to number 2 to Chelsea. Side loading! Why? Natapit. Yubata using it. That's why. Yubata once again. Sa ilalim. Pass it down. And number 16. Official score 27. 26. Okay, 5 minutes and 20 minutes time. Ayan na ang 3 points! Okay, Jackson! Our title was brought to you by DXN. Please, Cuba Tree, Double Time, Altaro, Black Exhibition Group, La Mia Prince, Exploria, Kissing Friends, Aburrito, Bar, Aquafina, Getaway, and Pixie. That's our video sponsor. Making Christian our second.
Score 39-27. Lamang ang live. 5 minutes, 41 seconds.
We have 5 minutes and 41 minutes time. We are now in the second quarter.
Second quarter.
Kung sino pa lang nagluto ka, meron ba dyan ha? Meron pa nga makukuha dyan. Kahit pansit. Okay, back to the ball again. We have 5 minutes and 36. Number 15, pass to Yolanda, pumasok ng kaibigan. Number 6, get the shoot, and to shoot. Kailangan ba natulog ng foul? Foul number 47. Substitution. Number 47, first personal foul. Third team foul. Substitution po tayo. We have 5 minutes and 22 minutes and 27, 39. Fourth get up. Second group. Waiting for rebound. Number 10. Bang! Okay, pumasok po ang pangalawang punto. Wala!
para magko-comment tayo, maririnig dito.
Si Jibin, buhaya talaga ito eh. Nakatatlo na si Kaulas eh. Pero maganda kung kapaan yan. Magpapamagigil lang.
Third personal foul, number 10, Warren Alberti, with 4 minutes and 17 seconds. Number 10.
Kasi ano? Kaulas, ba?
TV.
Parang
Number 06, delivery. Ay! Nakisip ito mga kaibigan. It's a double premium.
yes!
Ay! Kanya ka talaga, Louie. The best ka talaga, Louie.
Liwanag ng court ng puto. Kami laptop.
47.
Ay!
Sino po bang malaki dito?
Si Biging. Ang live.
Saan niya? Baka siya sa kamya? Sabi.
Ah!
Wala si Camilo.
Number 06, left-handed, pick up another pass, number 15. Then shoot, pass from the downtown number. Ayan na. Official score, 33.
Parang late yung ano? Up. Late yung ano? O yung score lang ang late mag-pindot?
Number 7, 5 on the downtown. Number 08, nakitig pa! Hindi ba nakatang palo mo? Mga kaibigan, pick up number 17. Tapos mga kaibigan ng balikan. Wala kang kapatid. Kaya nagbigay tayo ko rin kayo. We have 1 minute and 40 left under 2 minutes for play. Ayan mo, 1 minute and 45. Serrano.
Sarado.
Number 17. Serrano. Yun ang makumpang sa ilalim dito. It's a 3 seconds variation. Okay. 1 minute and 33 minutes time. Yes. Sige, wala pa to. Ayan na. Kaya sa number 08. Pass on the downtown. Nagtitis. 1 minute and 15. Julio now to call the ball. O, apat na ako. Julio, huli ko. Paso. Serrano. Paso Macaubang. Macaubang po siya ng piso dito. Oy, may mga by number 10. Nagsabi na ang mamatay. Paso number 08. Number 8 now. Number 8. Pass to number 06. Pull up the floor. Batang-batang ng boy. George Temo! France with 25 seconds. Norway. Norway. 48-30.
Norway, bakit doon ang turo ng ano?
Baka yung court.
Parang ayaw niya, Mi.
At saka possibility of our official sponsor,
Maki.
Friends, Cuba King,
Kakapila lang namin, si Maki na ako nakatiro.
Alcoa,
Alin?
It's
Maki,
lifted.
bigas.
Exclusive,
Kulang na lang ibigay yung bigas ni Maki. Pinapatira pa.
Rico, Bar,
Sabi ko, Mak, pinapatira ka pa.
Catering,
Hindi pala mapupunta yung bigas.
and maraming salamat major sponsor. Okay. Season 2, Viva Euro Cup. Okay, we have 55 seconds for 55 seconds. 48, 45 with 30 Passer, number 16. 5 on the downside. Another down by number 29. Number 59 now, Pastor. Irado. Pastor is the number. Number 5 on the number. Okay.
Ito po ba nga nandiyan na mga jersey?
Okay, wala na po ng
Ayan o, meron.
up, shoot out! Mga babae, guys! Okay, guys!
Boba ka ito. Sorry guys.
Okay, meron po isang alamang bigas. O pag tumino, pagka ang bigas, araw-araw yung gusto ko yan.
Sari-sari to yata.
Eh, buti sa'yo naman yan! And once again, we would like to thank our sponsor, VHN, Please, Do Not Be, Rubber Time, Aragawa, Home Installation Group, La Mia 3, Experia, Easy Change, Paborito, Bar, Aquafina, Catering and 50. Kaya, dito tayo, ay, short! Kabila, kabila.
Doon mansion eh.
Kanina pa ito si Ubang eh. Nagkakashoot na 10 kilo ng bigas nyo. Isang buwan.
Ladies and gentlemen, starting out for our third quarter. Official score 51-35.
Ganun nga aso kung
May nag-aaway po dito, oh. May nag-aaway, oh. May nag-aaway, oh.
Okay, back from the downtown. Wala, medyo malakas. Tingnan pa rin ako na yung aso. Kalot. Number 12. Okay, everyone's tumawa po. Okay. Yes, started. Ay, ang ganda. Sarap ng hangin.
Ulam mo, ulam.
Ganda-ganda po ng panahon ngayon. Medyo malamang alam naman. Ayan, actually, Julio, kami by number 29. Easy. Pero, wala po direction. Kaso, Miranda. Gigil.
Push. Dala yun. Dala yun. Sino nagpapapa?
Ibigay ko lang mula.
Ulam.
Inbound by Rizal.
Ayun na.
Julio! Uy, may tap. Alikod. Ikaw pa naman na. Ace pala. Ay, ito almost made it. Sige. Back to Yuma. Mr. Yuma, ang dito, using the glass of people in top. Number 41, Mr. Yuma. Ayan po, 49-53. 40 points. Ayan na. Julio! Wow! What a play by Julio. Hindi ko pito. Pass to Mr. Miranda. Miranda to go. Pass to number 16. Ito si Sindroy. Easy drive. And then ball. Out of position. White boy. Injury. Okay. Matigyan na po tayo. Okay. Automatic substitution. Number 2. Julio. Julio now. Don't pass it out. Ay! By number 41. Yuba. Yuba. Easy. Number 2. The score. 41-53. 1 point. We have 9 minutes more to play. Malapit na po tayo mag-substitution sa ating both teams. Number 2 now, control mo. Pass to Pagkaway! Di ba pa kaya? Take to shoot! Is yun. Is the Lord. Pull up the bird. Sama dumang by number 29. Siya alam mo galang ikot. Pass to Makaubang. Easy to boy. Iso. Takbong mayaman.
Talo yan ng Biyernes!
Buwan pa naman sa isang 5 kilo bigas ka rin. Bakla. Zero to the score. 55-1 points. Pass to number 15 now. Pass to number 8. Foul wearing jersey number 29. Second personal foul, number 29. First team foul.
Ano yan?
meron pa tayong parapos sa ating sapatos ng size 9.5. Dalawang free na po. Hindi po pakita po ito. Ng
Isa lang. Dalawa ba?
dark. Light. Yoy! Ayan. Pumasok po mga kaibigan. Okay, mayroon po tayong free throw. At 8 minutes and 35. Two free throw award with number 10. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Second round, ready for a rebound. Oh, no. Roger Julio. Rebound, number 2, pass to Julio. Ang Julio. Uy, wala ko pa. Ginigit.
Ano daw? Ay, yung horse. Tigidig daw, tigidig.
Ay,
Nako, slow motion.
video lang.
Bububuhat yun.
Ay,
Piso. 42-16. 7 minutes and 40 seconds.
ano daw?
Kidiling.
Kidig.
Action by number 2.
Ay. Ay, may hand. Ay, sayang. Ay, dalawa ba yun? Ah,
7 minutes, 45, 16.
score, 60-45. Lamang pa rin ang live.
Shutdown eh.
Tapon!
Okay, register. 6
Shutdown.
minutes and 58. Tumawag po ng timeout and Dark Fox team. Official score 60-45. Go with
Malek ka naman today.
Our timeout was brought to our sponsor.
Yes, wala na pala.
Sorries. Ubang Tea. Rapid Time. Altawa. Gold National Group. Lam. Gloria. Kiss Events.
Ano daw?
Bar. At Ubang Tina.
Racing game.
Kaya ni Rona, nag-birthday na.
Ulang sa papiksa lang siya.
Meron pa tayo na
Babalik na kasi. Babalik ka na.
kaya ang mag-tawag sa atin. Ha?
Sakripisyo din tito niya. Aalis sa trabaho si Kuya si Rona. Papiksa na. Pagkasok sa kapatid Rona, pagkasok din sa
Trabaho.
nagkubuti na lang. Hindi ka makakakit. Kasi hindi siya ibibigay ano yung kung ibang sitwasyon.
Jonas. Oh. Sunod-sunod. Isa doon, dalawa dito. Kita ba yun? Tatlong sunod-sunod.
Piso-piso, wala. Easy to point. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Ayan po. 47 against 30 points. 6 minutes and 25. We are now at the third quarter. Makombang, pass to the red. Lahat makombang. Kailangan. Midjula.
Yes, Desa. Meron ka ng ganyan, Desa.
Midjula. Wala ka ba?
Ay, nahihirapan.
Ay! Nakuha pa rin ang huli ang una. Diretso.
short.
Sayang. 5 minutes and 58 remaining time. 47 against 60. With 13 points, we are now in the third quarter. Okay, kung gusto magpahinga, sasabihin natin. Okay, last the last 5 minutes and 43 remaining time. Number 6, Joy. Basket number 15. Number 15, back up to the bottom.
Wow!
15!
Sampok na lang.
Okay, big score, 50! 60. 10 points na lang po. Okay. 10 to shoot! Tirado! Lumpa to Yupal! Ayan na po.
Wow.
Basket count! Makumbang! Ibang sa makaita. Ano? Candidate for this player. Once again. Oh, umikot number 3. Pastor number 15. This is number 3. Viva, wait na kali. Take a long time. Number 7. Okay, please score. You have 62. 9 points na lang kumakayan. 4 minutes. 34 minutes. Hugo. Nakauta.
Ano pa niya si Harder? Ano?
May nakaiba ng ating
Sa amin,
last
naganap
book.
na dito.
Kung sino pong
Naalala ni Mark.
Nakaumbang, veteran mo.
Ay!
Patong po nila, pick up number 06, nasa laban. Natawanan ko. Foul number 66, Tirano. Tirano, first personal foul. Third team foul.
Third team foul pa
Official
lang.
score 65-53 with 3 minutes and 38 remaining time. Third quarter pa lang. Ayan, number 7, pass na ngayon. Yuman, makatinaw! Medyo makita rin si Mr. Yuman. Ayan po. Mr. Rubio. Uy, nakarama na ba yung deliberation Mr. Holly? Ay! Deliberation! Ay! Wala pa kung nasuliban. Pick up by Mr. Tirano. Tirano, deliberation. Ay! Makakala pa rin ang bola. Pero shoot! Nakaumbang. Nakaumbang umin. Umikot. Wala bilang pastor. Wow! Okay, sa 3 seconds violation. Substitution. Ito tayo substitution ng kapityan. Nakaumbang out. Okay, pastor. Yan, medyo pagod na rin si Mr. Yuban. So, pinagpasa. Okay, we have 3 minutes and 5. 12 points, 53-65. Quarter pa lang tayo. Think after number 15. Kailangan. Number 6, kumapasok ng kayo niya. Wala pa pinapakala. Think after number 3. Using nila. Why not? Number 7. Number 6, nagmamadali. Basket. Use 3 doon. Baseball on! Basket lang. Iba talaga. Pag bitirano nga talaga. Wala ka kaba-kaba. 2 minutes and 42 remaining time. 57. With 14 points lead by White. Norway. Captain by number 6. Medyo malaki ang bantay. And now, reward by number 47. Doon pasa naman Ispolon. Ispolon na naglang ang bali. Almost Ispolon. Oy! Sorry, play by Mr. Lee. Ibang class. Eh, si Ispolon. Ang ganda ng tulog ni Mr. Ispolon. Siguro, no? Ayan po kayo. Akala ko pagbigay eh.
Wala, talo yan ng Biyernes.
We have 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Mami sila sila. Sila nakalaman na tayo. Ha? Number 2 kami ngayon.
We have under a minute. Wow! We have 1 minute and
Tayo
4.
namin.
Marami na si tropa, parang bigas-bigas lang.
Ayan na po, 60, 56, 72. 1 minute and 43 minutes out. Number 3, pass to number 10, tumira. Tumira. Rebound by Newton, pagbago na rin. Number 47, pass to Espolon. 1-1, pass to Uy! Guys, mong ba naman? Eh, wag ka na Espolon! Ano sa tayo hindi ko dito? Espolon bago, limang peso ng is. Ayan na, kailangan mo. Relax na tayo. Dapat po sila. Okay, then, to shoot. Julio! Uy! Rebound. Take up by number 10. Now pass to number 10. Number 8 now. Number nasa 2 minutes lang. Nagiging ko lang na 2 minutes. Okay, substitution. Substitution. 1 minute and 8. We have 72. Running score 72-56. 1 minute and 8. We are now in the third quarter. 56-72. As captain, number 28, wala ba tayo? Why nag-pinti sa ilalan? Ayan, napilang. Ibang kaso sa sino. Ayan, hisitin. Number 3, nagkamadali. Number 3, next move. Pass to number 06. Pass move on. Pick up. Okay. Wow! Ay! Ay! Ganda ang passing number 4. Ispiran. Ispiran na, nagkamadali.
Ay, hindi siya nagbabasketball, di wala.
Serrano, Julio, what do you want? Julio, number 10. Ay, wala! Oh, tumitin, oh. Tumitin sa talaga. Ayan, number 3. Dalitito. Taas kamay. Ayan ang number 10. 58. We have 19 siya. Shot clock sa off. Why? Doon. Doon ay bilis na po. Oh, may natawagan po.
Number
Down there is jersey number 06. Okay, we have 12 seconds more play. 12 seconds. Our substitution. Pagkatapos ng third quarter, mayroon tayo ng Ramos. Ayan.
Third pa lang pala eh, hindi pa naman po.
We have 12 seconds. Shot clock is off. Is full on. Pass! Pass it down. 7 seconds more play. Out to 5. Our one pair of shoes. Okay, meron ka na. Ano, lalaki na, lalaki. Ang lalaki na naman, shoot out. Bigas. Ang dami na naman.
pila.
Kasi pinupuli mo na talaga 5 kilos of rice. Ayan na. And then, may pa po, kailangan na tayo. Ang back po natin, mga kaibigan.
Handa.
Nadali na kalbo.
Uwi ka na. Uwi ka na.
Armando Recto. Wala na ba? Okay. Okay. Sabay, sabay. Ay, si Mr. Fernando.
Sampa. Sampa.
Number 24. Kulo.
Ay.
Atigo Kulo. Evelyn Amin. Ay, ayan, once again. Rolita, Rolita. Number 111.
Grabe naman yun.
Jumis Pulan.
Ah, sige.
Wala na. Si Jumis na. Wala. Mr. Jumis Pulan. This is Isponon. Ay, mag-position po tayo. Makikita mo natin ang ating mga pictures sa Viva page. Okay, thank you. Viva, Viva, 108. Team, 108. 1-0. Okay, sige, wala. Okay, ikot na ikot, ikot. Sino kaya nakakakuha ng one pair of shoes? Ayan na. Number 23. Maaga to, maaga to. Jeffrey Miranda. Ano, isip na yan, isip. Ayan na. Miranda. Ayan po, mga kwato, mga iyong picture. Isa pa, isa pa, isa pa, isa pa po. Okay, meron pa po. Isang water gun. Okay, number 99. Okay. Balagtas, Mr. Alvin Balagtas. Okay, once again, ayan na.